मेरा साहस मेरा सम्मान है पिता, मेरी ताकत मेरी पहचान है पिता. Hello all, welcome back to the magic place where creativity never ends. This is Prerna and lots of love to those kind ones who peeped in here to get a beautiful charm on their father's face on this special occasion. Today I have gotten 4 super easy last minute gift ideas. All of them are unique in its own ways. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video, grab the supplies, gift it on the occasion and share it with me. So let's get started. The first DIY is a fridge magnet, and for that I am taking this tin can and I am going to make 2 separate DIYs with the lid and the can. First I am applying a coat of white acrylic color on it. That will be the prime coat. And once that is done, I am going to apply the base coat of yellow acrylic color. So guys, let me tell you a fact. I saw this fridge magnet, something very similar to this, at $4.99 in the internet, and here with just a waste tin can and its lid we are making such a beautiful DIY. So don't you think these DIYs are worth it? Anyways, here I am making a fridge magnet and on that I am writing best dad ever. You may write whatever you wish to, just a cute little message for your dad. So guys, don't forget to watch our other uploads. So let's move on to our next fridge magnet. Again, I have taken the lid of a tin can and with the help of dot tool, I have made a small circle. Basically, this is a badge that says Dad number 1. If you want, you may make a trophy, a medal, a certificate, whatever you want to certify your dad with. So here also I am using acrylic colors only. So dear all, make sure to seal your artwork with varnish. Here you can use Itsy Bitsy's Little Birdie gloss varnish. Then only your colors will be retained and bright for a long time. So just adding some final touch by writing number 1 in the middle, adding some polka dots in the backdrop. So here is the final reveal of the previous magnet also. Here also I have added polka dots and you may just stick it with magnets. For the next DIY, I have taken this old wedding card and this printed paper. This printed paper is basically, I'll link it up in the description box. I have made a small square on the wedding card and this is the place where we are going to load our photo. And now I am covering it with this printed paper. This beautiful printed paper I have gotten from Pinterest. There are many such similar designs that you may find. So this is the place where we are going to put the photo, and here I am writing a very beautiful message for my father. So I am using sketch pen here. You may use acrylic colors if you are confident enough. And I am writing every superhero has a nickname with a superhero sign. and my favorite is Appa. So guys, I address my father as Appa. So you may write whatever you address your father as. And that's it. Our cute personalized photo frame is ready. So one tip is there that you may just add a small ribbon or a piece of string behind your photo so that it can be easily taken out and changed whenever required. Just to add a final touch, I'll add a bow on top. Moving on to our last DIY, that is this tin. So I have applied the base coat of gesso, and after that is done, I am applying the prime coat with a chalk paint. So this is a pastel shade pink. You may choose any other pastel shade as background also. After applying 2 to 3 coats and letting it dry completely, I am going to paint further. And here I am drawing a small box just to write a beautiful message. Using a flat hairbrush you can do so. So guys, this is an organizer. You may put pens in this, or you may simply keep it as a flower vase. You may put spoons in it. And here I am writing, "You are my hero." So I think that you should try one of these DIYs, because our dad does so much of the things for the whole year, and he really deserves something really very special on this day. So I have tried all these 4. Let me know which is your favorite in the comment section. Well, my favorite is this 4th DIY, that is the organizer. So guys, all the links of the items are given in the description box. Make sure to check them before starting with any project inspired from this. So guys, I expect that these items will be available with you, because this is the last minute DIYs, and I have tried my best to include the items that are actually available at home easily. Alright, so once that is done, we'll do the further detailings also. If you want, you may use a pen here also. It will be absolutely fine. Then after that, the further spaces were actually empty, so I thought to fill them up with a few hearts, with some lines, some much more detailings that will make the DIY look much more beautiful. The project will be enhanced further. So that's all guys, our simple 4 DIYs are ready with the least investment. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates, and I'll meet you soon on the same channel. Till then, happy crafting!